What's the meaning of cry? Cry. Cry.
Cry. Cry. Cry refers to the act of shedding tears as a result of experiencing emotions such as sadness, pain, joy, or relief. While crying, a person's eyes become moist and tears may flow down their cheeks. Crying is a natural response that helps to release pent-up emotions and may also induce feelings of comfort and relief. Additionally, crying can also be an effective form of communication, conveying emotions and feelings to others without using words. Overall, crying is a complex and deeply ingrained human behavior with both emotional and physical consequences.